Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Bhagavad Gita, its essence. Copyright and audio Muneen Mishra. Gita's crux. Why do you worry unnecessarily? Who do you fear needlessly? Who can kill you? None surely. The Atma never dies certainly. Whatever happened was but good. Whatever happens will be good. Whatever be happening is but good. The past, present, future is good. For what is past, do not regret. The future should not worry beget. The present is passing, no regrets. Lost in emotion of body, be inset. What have you lost for which you cry? What had you brought, whose loss you fry? You created nothing that was destroyed. You lost nothing but just the earthly toys. To this world you had brought nothing. From this world you will take nothing. Whatever you have got be from here. Whatever you give will be from here. Whatever you give or take be from him. Empty-handed you came and returned to him. What be yours today was else's yesterday and shall become others but the next day. Your basic thought of happiness be its possession as though it is divinity. And this happiness will be but surely the cause of your sorrow unfailingly. Cause of your sorrows be thought only, the thought of proclaiming it yours truly. Its loss, ownership, causes sorrow, joy. In these material thoughts you but fry. Change be but the nature's rule. Let death not make you a fool. In death but life does ever be. But man sees this not clearly. In a second the master you be, but the very next a slave surely. Big or small, yours or mine, removed from the thought and mind. Then but yours be all beings, and you of all the living beings. No sorrow or joy you be seeing, only sublime songs ever singing. Even not yours does be the body, neither you belong to this body. It but be from fire, water and air, earth and sky, created and fair. Surrender to Lord and then pose, for that be your some best repose. Those who know this support surely, be free from fear, worry, melancholy. It must merge with it again. Cry not when this journey begins. Only the soul lives infinitely. Think, then who do you be? Before the Lord, surrender fully. This the best rapport, be undoubtedly. You came from him most certainly, and return you must to him surely. All acts that you do, ever remember, be by his will, else you slumber. Dedicate wholly your acts to him, and free yourself from rebirth and sin.